everyone, welcome to the channel. In this series, we are going to cover the Selenium exceptions. So, today we are going to cover Selenium exception related to the alert. So, in this alert exception, we will get unhandled alert exception and no alert present exception. So, do watch this full video to understand these two exception, and also I'm going to cover one exception will come when we uh, try to access alert or perform any action on alert is element not interactable exception. Element not interactable, or the dialog box of the alert is not capable of handling this event. Okay, so do subscribe the channel to get related video of Selenium exception and videos related to the automation. Okay, so the key solution points here I have listed over here. Once I'm covering this video, you will get the understand like why it's important to get create one method. So is alert present, because Selenium doesn't provide any inbuilt method to check the alert is present on in the web page or not. So we have to create our own method. And to handle this exception correctly, how we are going to use catch and try block. So that I am going to cover. Okay. So get started. So first I will show you like when we will get each type of this exception, and how we can just solve this. Okay. So in this program, what I will do, I have did one navigated to the one web page where we will see the one alert. So to get alert, I'm clicking on one alert button. Okay. Once that button is coming, uh, I'm going to perform one action on WebDriver, or on that page. So the action is to get a title, or any action, click action, or any action we perform on the web page. So it's look like we are just clicking on the page and alert is coming. Still, we are going to the performing any action. So this is we are looking like this is a normal step. Okay, so we will see like what this getting executed correctly, or we will get any error or not. Okay, so I have just launched this program. So the site is getting launched, and here is the alert. So you have seen the in the flash of second one alert is coming. Okay, and it is gone. Okay, so in the output section we will check like what output we will got, or any exception we will got. So you can see over here, so we got one alert, sorry, exception is that unhandled alert exception. Okay, unexpected alert open. So they have given this alert is open. Okay, so why this is coming, so we can track the record. So at the end we will get that at alert exception, this Java class, in that at the line 30 we have encountered this error. So at the line 30 what we have is we are accessing some web element from that web page. Okay, so when we are accessing that element, when we got one alert. Okay, once we click on that alert, we got an alert, and when alert is open in the web page, so at that time we try to access this page. So the alert concept of alert is when we get any alert on the page, so what it will do, the program, it will move our focus to this page alert. Okay, and it will not allow us to perform any action on this page. See, we are not able to perform any action over here. Once alert is gone, we are able to perform the action over here. Okay, so the functionality of alert is to get focus towards that alert of the user. Okay, so we get to know that when alert is present on the web page, we are not able to access any element on the page. So what we will do, we will handle that alert. So how to handle that alert is to switch to that alert window, WebDriver switch to alert, and accept that alert or dismiss that alert. So you can get that method like accept, dismiss. Okay, all these related method or send keys, all these related methods you will get over here once you click a dot and press Control Shift. Okay, so once we accept that alert, what will happen, we will see. Okay, so we are now clicking on the alert. Alert is coming. Okay, and we are accepting that alert and then performing the action on web page. Okay, so this time alert is coming, we are performing the action. Okay, so the flow is navigated to the next page. Okay, so we will get no exception over here and we will get the page title over here. Okay, so I'm going to explain you the second type of exception is when there is no, suppose we have performed the action on alert and alert is gone now, but still after that we are performing any action on alert. Okay, so suppose alert is not present, or it is by any chance it is not coming on the web page, and still we are performing any action on the alert. So at that time what happen, we will see. Okay, so after that accept, the alert is gone, and still after that we are performing some action on the alert. So what will happen? So now it is clicking on the web page, the alert is gone, and we will check the output. So we will get an exception. So no alert present exception, no such alert. So where it is coming? It is coming on 29th line. Okay, so what is that? So this is one. So there is no alert on the web page, and still we are performing an action. So what we will do, we will move that action to upper before that. Okay, and now we will see what happened. So I will just explain you. There are like some type of alerts where it is asked for OK button or OK and cancel button, or some alert. What will they also ask you one text field where you can enter your some information, like suppose they ask for yes, no, or your comment. Okay, so that time you can use send keys to perform the action on that, to write in that alert. So uh, there is no send keys or any option to write on the alert, and still we are writing something, try to writing something on alert. So that time what we will get, we will get alert not interactable exception. Okay, so the user dialog does not have input box. Okay, so therefore it is coming. So we have seen all these three type of the alerts. Okay, and friends, if you want more information on this alert, uh, I have written my one blog, so I will just post one uh, query over here. Okay, so on that blog, I have explained everything in the written, so you can view that blog also. I will just give a link in the description section. Okay, so now the most important part is how to handle this one with the correct methods. Okay, so with the try catch block, so I will just comment this part, and I uncomment the try catch block. So what I have did here, on the click event, the alert is opened. Okay, and then what I have did, I have handled that alert with one method is called as is alert present. Okay, if alert is present, it will handle that one. If not present, it will just return false, and you can perform the action on that false event, and then our regular action on the web page. And suppose by default any other exception is coming, or sorry, alert is coming, then we can catch that alert exception in this catch block. And over this one is alert present method over here. So what I have did, I have assigned one this alert to the one alert variable, and I have performed the action dot, okay, dot get text. So get the alert text and alert dot accept. Okay, so if alert is present, it will perform this action. If not present, it will throw a catch block or return then false block. Okay, so I will just run this block. So you can find this code in the description section also, and I will also update one gate link over there. You can find this code. Okay, so see, it has handled the exception and gone to the next page, and we got no exception. Okay friends, thank you for the watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more update on the automation part, and you can ask your queries in the description or the comment section. Okay, and please do visit my blog. Thank you everyone, welcome to the channel. So we have one series I'm running. So it is Selenium exception. In this series, I'm explaining all Selenium related exception. So how we can produce it and the solution for each and every exception. So do subscribe the channel to get more updates. And today we are seeing like Selenium WebDriver exception, unknown error, cannot determine loading status from disconnected, and received dispatch, receive inspector dispatch event. Okay, so to get this exception, I have tried two methods. Okay, so one is to open the browser and then try to open DevTool. Okay, so the explanation of this issue is when WebDriver performing some action, and while performing suppose automation action, and we are performing another action on top of it, like simultaneously, like where our dev tool is also performing debug action, and our automation also performing the action on Chrome driver. So that two things are crashes, and we will get this type of exception. So this explanation I have found on many website. Some people have commented, so I want to cross check that one. And the second one is to I have tried manually closing the browser. Okay, so while getting it, so we'll just go and check that it is able, we are able to get that exception or not. So it's running, and I'm just clicking F12, and I'm performing some action to find an element or something over here. So to check that it is getting an error or not. So the script is running fine, and we didn't get any exception with the first method. I have also tried offline many times. Okay, so I'm just showing you once only. So the second method is to close, get some browser is closed automatically or due to some exception. Okay, so while performing this step, navigating to the any website or something, I have closed the browser. Okay, so I'm just want to simulate the thing, so I have closed it. So we are able to reproduce this exception. So what that means, like whenever your script is executing your navigate.to method or your get method or any other method, and the same time suppose your browser dot crash or something, so that time internally it will fetch or throw this exception. Okay, so this is my condition when where I got this exception. And if you got an exception while at other condition or terms, so you can just comment on my blog or on this video itself. This is my blog, so I'm keep updating the information, all the information related to the automation exceptions and over here. So this blog I will also update if I get any more updates. Okay, and do also visit the website to check the other exception. Okay, so friends, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.